What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to enable grayscale on the iPhone 10. All right, so basically when you do this, it helps save battery life, but it also looks pretty sweet. So anyways, what you want to do is head over to your settings, then you want to scroll down to General, then you want to go to Accessibility, and then click on Display Accommodation. So it should be like the fourth option down. Okay, so anyways, click on Color Filters. You got to turn color filters on, and then you'll see some options down here. Right now, I've just got grayscale highlighted, and we're pretty much good to go. So we've completely made the phone gray. Let's throw some gaming up here on Space Pioneer just to check it out. But like I said, it looks pretty sweet when you make your phone go all gray. But this will help save battery life if you're trying to do that. And if you've not checked this game out yet, check this game out ASAP. It's kind of ridiculously. Definitely one of the best alien shooting games to come out all year. I've definitely been enjoying it. Yeah, let's just kill these dudes. Alright, let's go this way. Oh dang, got a little drop coming in here. Oh, what is that thing? It's like a big bumblebee. Alright, anyways, enough with that. But anyways, yeah, like I said, it just looks pretty sweet when you make your iPhone go completely gray, but it does help save battery life as well. Anyways, gonna wrap it up there. Please hit that like and share button if you're watching this and have not subscribed to us. Hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.